So today we have a brand new parking lot at Reid Park that's going to be shared by multiple entities.
And what this really paves the way for as well, I like that paves the way for, is for Pathway to Asia. So in the next couple of months, we'll be breaking ground for Pathway to Asia. That's a long awaited new portion of Reid Park Zoo.
So what was really nice is that this parking lot embraces some natural elements. It does have some bioswales for stormwater, and so we did a ceremonial agave planting today to just highlight that commitment was part of the design.
There's about 100 trees that are planted in this parking lot. This new parking lot will have 433 spaces. That's 90 more than we had earlier, and it'll also have 54 accessible spaces, lots of motorcycle and bicycle parking.
If you've been here doing events, whether it's for the zoo or for High Corbett or just here in general trying to enjoy time with your family, parking can be pretty sparse, so this is definitely a welcome improvement.
So this project was funded through dollars that are set aside by the City of Tucson for joint capital projects between the zoo and the City of Tucson.
It'll serve the Reid Park Zoo as well as the Edith Adaptive Recreation Center. So a great place for people to park when they're getting ready for an outing here at Reid Park and to enjoy the outdoors.